Welcome back, guys. You're watching Entrepreneur, and in this video we're going to be ending the how to day trade on Binance series, putting the whole strategy together, walking you through each and every step, and allowing you guys to ask questions on anything you guys need answered in the comments section below. Please ask any of your questions, guys, on this video, because we're going to go through A to Z, every single step of the way, what you need to do. I'm kind of going over what we discussed in the first and second videos, but if you haven't watched those already, I would suggest you go back and start from number 1, just so you understand every single part of the process. But for this video, we're going to be starting off just with briefly going over the first 2 steps and then getting into the actual fundamentals of trading on Binance and what you need to do to ensure that you're successful. So the first video, like I said, we discussed how to locate quality projects to trade on a consistent basis that allow you to profit. The percentage that you're going to be needing for this strategy is going to be making about $100 per day starting off. Let's say you have like $1,000 to $1,500. It's very easy to be able to make that amount of money. So getting into it, obviously I'm not going to go completely into what we went into the first video, which is how to find the best projects to trade, but in the first link in the description, actually we'll do the second link in the description, the top 17 cryptocurrencies of 2018. Those coins are all great to day trade, allow for great profitability. So that's a free list. Go ahead and check that out. That's the second link in the description, and that will eliminate the first video, so you guys don't have to watch that. You can just go get those 17 cryptocurrencies that outline great projects to trade on a consistent basis. So now that we've done that, what you want to do is actually go ahead and make a watch list. Now you can either do this on CoinMarketCap or you can do it on Live Coin Watch. This is the website I use for my watch list. So you can just go on your watch list, and what you're going to be doing is basically sorting by volume every day. So I'm not going to show you my watch list because that's for my private group, but basically what you want to do is every day for your watch list, you want to sort by volume, right? We discussed this in the first video, and I'm not going to repeat the reasons why, but that's what we're going to do. And then how we identify which one we want to trade, you're going to have to do some due diligence, see which ones have the best potential. But how you basically determine that is see the percentage that they're down or up the last 24 hours. Normally, you don't want to be trading something that's up a bunch because chances are it's going to fall. So we want to get in on things that have the potential to, go up. So maybe, here we have Bitcoin Cash down 3% over the last 24 hours. I wouldn't be trading Bitcoin Cash. So I'm actually going to use a trade that I'm looking at right now for an example, which is VeChain. So in the second video, we discussed technical analysis. Now, we mainly went over the MACD and the RSI, as well as what you want to look out for and how you know to enter a trade. So just to recap, basically, the strategy is you're going to wait for an oversold signal on the RSI, and the way you determine that is the purple line goes below the purple shaded area. Once you get that, and you can actually set an alert, which we also went over. Unfortunately for you guys, if you don't have a paid TradingView account, you cannot set multiple alerts, but you can set one alert, so you can go ahead and set that alert. But if you guys want to get live trading alerts every single day from our private community, the first link in the description is the Investors Elite. That is my private trading group. We do a live call every single day for an hour, Monday through Friday, and we also send out signals all throughout the day for trades, potential trades that we do profit on every single day. So if you guys want to join that, definitely check that out. But if not, let's continue on. So first step is see the oversold sign on the RSI. Second step is we want to see a confirmation of momentum. So you don't always have to wait for the blue line to cross up and over the orange line and get the confirmation from the MACD, but we do want to see that we're starting to see a lot of demand for the specific asset. Now, the way we do that is actually not on the technical analysis side. It's actually going to be on Binance. So really step 1, just understand when it's oversold, and that's a good time to buy. Now, after that, really all you have to do is pay attention to this right here, which is the order book. Okay, now the order book does a lot of things, a lot of great things for people, and people don't even realize that you can trade specifically just off the order book if you wanted to, for the most part, which is actually what most of the strategy is, and it's pretty simple to do. So what you're going to want to look for is things like this. You see this huge wall? That's what you actually want to look for. So after you've determined something is oversold, either on the 5-minute or the